Hello everyone, this is just a quick video to show you how you can prescribe end-of-life medication and create your own MAR sheet. So in the search feature at the bottom left corner, if I type end-of-life care, it brings up some templates, and I'm going to use end-of-life formulary, which is an Ardens template. And as you can see, there are several tabs there which are also highlighted on the top and here. So for this video I'm using just in case drugs. So we're doing anticipatory drugs for this elderly test patient, and as you can see there are different doses already there. So if I select on say some diamorphine, now this is live and I'm using my home Wi-Fi, so just bear with me. And as we go through the formulary, I keep clicking, it's going to add these drugs. So I've added diamorphine, I'm going to add some haloperidol, so if I proceed with that, and then some water for injection. Okay, so if we've done that, after doing all the medicines I wanted, if I then click on community drug chart, JIC, it will bring me onto a writing template. So I have to resize the windows every time. So if I just do right now, it will bring us the MAR sheet which can be printed, but also it's something which you can then send it to community nurses. So as you can see, you've got, so you'll have all your demographics here, your drug sensitivities, the supply you want to do. It's also got your instructions here with the dose range. You can put extra tabs and information if you want to, and then sign it. Now if you're doing it digitally, obviously you can add digital signatures. The other good thing is it has got the prescribing guidelines on the next page here, because sometimes we need to reference and check what dose we're giving. So it allows that, and there are different tabs so you can use for syringe driver, transdermal opioids. So that's a short video just to show how you can use Ardens templates to create community prescribing drug sheets or MAR sheets. Thank you.